Yeah, this is number 3. How to print oval bottle. Jog cylinder. 3, number 3. Place a bottle. Jog cylinder. Number 3. Like catch it. 好。
把丝网主页2号丝网。
This is the second station. Then second station. Number 2. 好，开始。
把丝网慢慢放上去。
First, up, down, and axis. You can see arrow come down. Make the screen and the bottle 2 mm space. Two mm space. 好，开始。
38.35。
Then current position number minus stroke. 等会儿啊。Then put the number here. 来，填吧。3.393，3.39对。好。
然后就是这个位置。
Then press. You can. Then 等会儿，别动。Then press return. Return. Registration. Return. 好。来，你再点一下，在这边点。好。
定位。
再
把丝网拿掉。
Then take off the screen. 还是在这边好一点。
拔刀。
那 switch come down.
好。
来，this is the number 2 printing station switch.
放下来。
你再点一下。好。
中心点。
Then switch should be bottle center. You can move this arrow.
左右。
你再点一下吧。来。You can see. Move the switch should be the center of the bottle. 等一会儿啊，你再移一下。等一会儿啊，别动啊，我在远处拍一下。好，动，移一下。You can see the switch moving. Now make the switch on the bottle center. 来，可以了。Now this OK.
当前位置填到中心点。
Then put this number. Put here. 来。OK. Then press registration.
可以。这里朝上下，松掉这两边。
Lose this one can move the switch pressure micro adjusting.
这个往下。
好。
然后打上去。
First, we adjust the up and down axis, then switch axis, then screen axis.
放下来。丝网左右。
Now, screen axis.
丝网。
Screen axis. Arrow. You can see. Arrow move. move screen axis, make the artwork is on the left of the switch. Now okay. Okay. Now okay, you can see. Now artwork is on the right side of the switch. Now this is okay. You can see artwork here, switch here. Because the switch need to move from here for printing. Then put this number here. Then resolution. 好，然后呢，试印刷一下嘛。来，嗯。
然后单手试一下，看。
等一会儿啊，等一会儿。Then press printing station manual test. Printing station manual test. 等一会儿，这太吵了。
主页。
Main home page. Home page. This is the number 3. You need to press. You need to press 3号。You need to press. Press it. Then it means machine know the number 3 has bottle because we load the bottle by manual. So you need to press. 在主页 Home press. You need to press. This color, it means machine know this is number 3 has bottle. Otherwise, no printing. 好，
再把印刷打开。印刷。
Then switch on the printing. It means on switch printing on LED on. Number 2 on. LED on. Then press it. This color means function on. You need on, then can printing.
1分钟。
为什么等1分钟？
因为要启动。
Because then need wait 1 minute. Need UV lamp. Need UV warm up. So we need to wait 1 minute. We UV on. UV on, then need to wait 1 minute. You can see the light.
Okay.
Then now, okay. Now okay, you can see.
主页。
等一会儿啊，
印刷。
好，等一会儿嘛，2，等一会儿啊。Then press number 2 printing station manual test. Manual test. 挂到放下来吧，不用放是不是？等一会儿啊，你按一下啊。You can see. 按一下。You can see 是吧 ？Yes. Press it again. 再按一次啊。Then this printing for testing the printing quality good or not. 好了吗 ？Then this station adjusting is okay. You can, if not okay, you can micro adjusting this one. Micro adjusting for this. Now, how to print over bottle is okay.